FASS7002 is designed to support students who've been out of academia for some years or are international students, but you do need a good grasp of English for FASS7002. If you're not quite fluent, then please take FASS7001 in your first semester, if possible. Critical thinking and persuasive writing, as this title suggests, improves your research and writing capabilities. And in order to get the most out of the course, that is, to be able to use the transferable skills I teach to help you in assignments for other units, I've condensed FASS7002 so that it runs as an intensive for the first 3 weeks, which means 2 lectures and 2 seminars for 3 weeks, then back to 1 of each for the rest of the semester, and we finish early. The texts recommended come in 2 sets. The first includes books and articles on the specific requirements for writing at university, from nuts and bolts information to a book titled Stylish Academic Writing, which suggests ways of approaching scholarly writing with flair. On the reading list there's also my book on the subject, same title as this unit of study. The second group of texts relates to the theme we'll be exploring throughout the semester in preparation for the main assignment, the essay. More of that presently, but for now I just want to say, take this unit if you're returning to study after a bit of a gap, or if for any reason you feel you need to be re-familiarised with the concepts and processes of creative critical thinking and research skills. The main questions addressed in FASS7002? Now, to get to that, I must first mention that because this unit is open to any students in the faculty, people come from a wide range of disciplines. So, I've actually struggled to find a subject area and a question for the main assignment, the essay. And the essay is the genre in which students really get to practice most of the skills they're in the process of learning in this unit. But I finally lighted upon a subject we all have in common, humour. So, in this course, I ask, what are some of the cultural purposes of humour? We use this broad field in which to develop research and writing skills needed in order to produce a really strongly persuasive essay on any topic in any discipline. Each student chooses their own focus point, and such a broad topic helps you to practice an essential skill of postgraduates, narrowing down a field to a specific focus for research. The choices you have to make in this process form the beginning of the critical and creative process of any piece of academic writing at postgraduate level. I actually love teaching this course, I really do. I particularly enjoy the liveliness of the exchanges in seminars, and active participation of students is strongly encouraged in FASS7002. The best part of the semester for me is during the last 2 or 3 weeks when students conduct their own seminar presentations on a topic of their choice. This assignment is completely open. Because some students come from different countries and some are mature age students who've had varied life experiences, and the disciplinary fields are so varied, I've heard some truly marvellous talks on topics ranging from organised crime in Mexico, to Indonesian understanding of the concept of magic, to teaching strategies used by teachers of Arabic, to the therapeutic effects of music. All fascinating, all different.